Let's go back. I thought I was recording. Okay. Let's start with Mercury, shall we?
Small, fast, very hot and very cold, Mercury is the innermost planet of our solar system.
Hmm.
With long days, short years, a thin crust and no atmosphere, it is a curious planet that has yet to be explored in great depth. Two past missions have photographed its surface, with a third mission scheduled to arrive in 2025. Head through, into our Mercury room, to discover more about this cratered rocky planet.
No. Let's check out Venus.
Venus and Earth may often be called twins, but they are far from identical, and one is most definitely evil, if not hellish in nature.
Hmm.
With a runaway greenhouse effect, crushing atmosphere, searing temperatures, and powerful winds, Venus rotates so slowly that the sun rises and sets just twice every year.
Oh.
Enter
Wow.
our Venus room, to discover why beauty can in fact be only skin deep.
Ah, here comes my favorite. No place like home.
For a planet, whose surface is more than 2/3 water, we've given it a pretty odd name. Because although Earth is abundant throughout the solar system, water is not. So perhaps we should rename our planet Water. But whatever you call it, the third rock from the sun is a truly awesome place. In fact, I'd go as far as saying it's the best place in the multiverse. It is also the only known planet to bother hosting life, like you, and everyone you know. Take it from me. Life truly is amazing. Earth is honestly incredible. And you, well, you are simply magnificent.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Mars.
Mars, also known as the Red Planet, is dusty, cold, has no breathable atmosphere, no liquid water, nor does it host life.
Hmm.
And yet, even with all of these things held against it, Mars is currently humanity's best hope for the first planet to colonize, and thanks to nearly 50 missions and counting, we know quite a lot about it. But before you pack your bags, I suggest you explore Mars, and all its secrets, through this door.
No, thank you. I was born on planet Earth and I will die on planet Earth.
Different cultures have named it Jove, Marduk, Zeus, the Wood Star, Guru, Thor, or just, plain old Jupiter.
Hmm.
Whatever you call it, it's a gas giant, with a mass 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system, combined. However, most of us only know it for its big red spot, which is a centuries-old storm, that could swallow the Earth whole. But this planet has so much more to tell, with a gravitational field that has helped shape the solar system, 79 natural satellites, 4 sets of rings, and a powerful magnetosphere. Want to know more? Then head on through this door to discover the undisputed king of the planets.
King of the planets, huh? Jupiter.
Sporting 7 stunning rings and enough moons to outmoon even Jupiter, the 6th planet from the Sun may be the second largest, but it is the least dense, and would even float in water, if a large enough bathtub could be found. Named after a mythological titan, who castrated his own father, before mating with his sister, and fathering the future king of the gods, the ringed planet is one of the most stunning in our solar system. Head through into our Saturn room, the Saturn viewing deck, Cassini room, and more, to discover what is personally my favorite planet of them all.
Really, Saturn? How about Uranus?
Uranus, or Father Sky, was a typical Greek god, who married his mother, killed his children, and was eventually castrated by his son before being ousted from power. As a planet, Uranus has been the butt of many jokes over the years.
Mm-hmm.
But what do we really know about this icy giant? The first planet found using a telescope, and the first to be discovered since ancient times, this pale blue giant has only ever been visited by one lone spacecraft, leaving many of its mysteries still undiscovered. Head through this door into our Uranus room, to discover the story so far.
Let's check Neptune.
Dark, cold, and whipped by supersonic winds, ice giant Neptune is the eighth and most distant planet in our solar system, with 14 moons, and 5 rings. More than 30 times as far from the Sun as Earth, Neptune is the only true planet in our solar system, not visible to the naked eye. Enter our Neptune room to discover what makes it blue, why it is so icy, and if it really does rain diamonds.
Hmm. Oh, Pluto. Last one.
Pluto has had an identity crisis over the years. No longer considered a planet, because it hasn't cleared its orbit of other objects, it is however, a dwarf planet, and a fascinating one to boot. Smaller than Earth's moon, Pluto has a huge heart-shaped glacier, tiny moons, mountains as high as the Rockies, and it snows, but the snow is red. On July 14, 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft made its historic flight through the Pluto system, collecting images that have transformed our understanding of this mysterious Kuiper belt object, on the solar system's outer frontier. Why not head through to our Pluto room, to discover a tiny world, billions of miles away?
Okay, let's see. Oh, Developer Hall of Fame. No, no. There we go. Okay, I will stop the video here because my next stop is Stonehenge. I want to check it out. See you in a few, folks.